Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to implement bottom sheet in our Flutter application. Let's start with the code. Here as you can see we have one Flutter application with floating action button. We are going to add bottom sheet on click of this floating action button. For adding bottom sheet we have to use show bottom sheet function with parameter context and builder function. Inside builder function we will return UI which we want to show in our bottom sheet. For explanation purpose, I am showing you an empty container with height of 200. I have to replace show bottom function with show model bottomsheet. As you can see, we have empty container as our bottom sheet. Now let's add some children inside our container. I have added one this style with text here. Now we are going to use click of this style and showing selected option on the screen. For showing selected option we need one variable. Let's declare string variable selected option. And we will show this selected option here in the text view. Now we will change state when someone clicks on this select option 1 tile. Let's copy this list tile one more time. Now as you can see, when I select option 1, it refreshes text in the background. One more thing we have to add. When we click on bottom sheet, we can use navigator to close this bottom sheet. Just use navigator.offContext.pop method to close this bottom sheet. Let's copy it here. Now whenever we click on any option, we can see bottom sheet is automatically dismissed. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.